Anything is popsicle. Of course, you gotta start it off. Gotta love that new palette smell. Hey, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back today to do a tutorial review, but a different kind of way today, guys. I wanted to use two different concealers. So I have my trusty True Morphe one, the all white one, the palest one they got. And then I have the MAC one, which is NC40. This one is more of a skin tone. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but it is enough to give like that definition and to cut the crease with. So I just want to do a tutorial and see if this palette is really pigmented, or is it just the Morphe concealer? Is it the white base? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below while you're down there. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. If you guys want this look, stay tuned. Hi guys. So I wanted to try something a little different today. I wanted to actually talk while I'm putting it on. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the Wet n Wild Ice Cream Bee. It smells like ice cream. It's really, really good. So let me zoom you guys in a little bit and we're going to get on into seeing how this comes all out. So I'm pulling you in just a little bit, not too close. This is my matte concealer. This is in NC40. My concealer is a little bit lighter, a little higher up there in skin tone because I do like it to be brightened, but this is still, of course, pigmented compared to the white Morphe concealer. And I know it's gonna blend. I use my concealer, of course, on top of my brow, but y'all know I'm gonna do that anyways. So I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. So I'm gonna start with the skin tone one first. Oh, okay. All right. We are pigmented. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited for this palette now. This is very, I was worried because I was thinking, oh, the shimmer, I don't know. This is actually very pigmented, if you guys can see. Look at that. It's really cute. I'm nervous now. I don't know how this is gonna come on my white base. Okay, let's see. Now it does have a lot of fallout. It is very powdery. So seeing from the white base, this is definitely, actually, I think it's the same consistency. Yeah, I think it's the same pigmentation actually. I think the other side, hold on, let me dunk one more time. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same pigmentation. So with this light brown color, this is actually the same pigmentation. I'm not angry at all. This would be really good to put on like a nice little fluffy lash and like natural, just smoke it out. Yeah, this color is really, really good. I keep smelling it too. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here, that light kind of mauve-y. Yeah, it's like a cool mauve-y kind of color. I want to go in with that one. Again, it does have fallout. So I'm just gonna take it. This is the white base, the Morphe base. I'm just gonna take this right in there. I want to add a little more depth in there so you guys can see. This is a very pretty, not surprised, this is the Morphe side, but I am putting it on top of that brown. So this is really, really pretty. The gradation is coming together. This is very, very pretty actually. Up, see? That's where we're getting snagged. Now it may look like it's pulling up big time on the screen, but see, it's okay. It's okay. I kind of like that payoff that Morphe gave me, the Morphe concealer. It gave more of that pow. Even though I did have the brown underneath there. This is really pretty though. These shades are pigmented, but I don't know, the Morphe one, I feel like it's still, she's winning. See, that blend is really pretty though. I don't know. I still like the Morphe one. I feel like it's still giving more of that effortless blend. So now I'm going to go in, I'm going to recut the crease. Like I said, this is not going to be the best cut crease in your life. I just want to see what this will look like if I was doing it on both eyes. That crease kind of coming out nice though, not bad. How was your guys' week? I know now it's Tuesday today for me. I was just chilling like a villain because, you know, today was another day of that time of month for us ladies, and I was not feeling it. But then something told me, said, why not? Get up and do something. Because I was really feeling like, don't bother me, don't touch me. But then I really wanted to put on some makeup at the same time. Y'all ever have that feeling? It always makes me feel so disgusting. I want to, you know, feel all pretty and everything. I know I want to go in with 13,000 colors. I just know I want to. Her right here, she's like a rainbow sparkle dream. I think I want this one too. You guys don't forget too to check out my close-up swatches videos. I do them every time I do a new palette review or tutorial. You know, a little bit underwhelmed. It looks all right. This is gonna be on the skin tone concealer side, and let us see, shall we? I don't know. Now, out of pigmentation though, guys, this is very pigmented. Drugstore, again, Wet n Wild, they do be coming with some stuff, I ain't gonna lie. Actually, I don't know, I like it on the skin tone side. I'm like, hold up. If you guys can see, this is dope. I actually like this. Okay, so with the Morphe side, you actually do see it's that more white champagne-y. But then when you go to the skin tone, it brings out the gold. It's a really, really nice. So you kind of get two shadows in one. That's not, okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I give them that. We're going in with this one. This one on the white side, she's cute, I guess. Let's try the skin tone side. So I have to admit, with the skin tone side, this does not go with the gold, in my opinion. It doesn't look fitting with it. It's both shimmery, very soft and baby-like. It's very cute, pastel-y, kind of fantasy. But it looks good. It looked good on camera, but in person, I wouldn't combine these two together like that. It doesn't look too appealing, but you can if you want. I think I'm gonna just go into this deeper purple. Oh yeah, of course, pigmentation. Yeah, not surprised. So now the skin tone side. Oh, that's much deeper. See what I mean? That white base, it does make it lighter and it does wash it out a little bit more. Uh-oh. Well, no. This is looking like a very, very glam eye now. Bring that in a little bit. Oh no, this one's looking pretty good. So I'm just gonna blend this one out a little bit more. Blend her too. We're gonna try this brown and make this darker purple. I just wanna see. Or that really light green. I don't know, we're gonna see. This is with the white base side. Yeah, now this one is really pretty. It's not washed out as much. Okay, so this is the skin tone side. I think I'm gonna try that green. Ooh, that's pretty. Hold up. Ooh, look at that. Okay, that was the Morphe side. Let's try the skin tone side. See, she's not giving me that bam bam zing zaka beam, you know what I'm saying? She ain't giving me that. I mean, it's pigmented. They're both pigmented, but I'm just not getting it as much from the Morphe side. And then I'm gonna pop on some lashes and I will be right back, guys. All right, guys, so I'm back with my lashes on and a little bit of gloss, a little lippy lip. This is the finished look. Do you guys remember which eye is which? I know I do. It's a slight difference, just a slight one. So I just wanted to try something a little different today. I wanted to see which one blended out better and more and see if it's pigmented on the same kind of base, just different skin tone. So guys, I hope you guys liked the tutorial. I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I just wanted to see, like, you know, what a concealer with, you know, skin tone versus the white base is going to do on my eyes, and just test out a new palette while you're at it. You know what I mean? This retails for $8.99 at Ulta, by the way. So of course, the first thing I notice off the bat is it smells a little bit creamy. Now, out of the ColourPop one that I did, now that video too, by the way, that palette smells more like ice cream than this one does, because this one does smell, it smells, it's ice creamy in a way, but it's a little stronger of a scent. That one's a little more softy cream, kind of like a soft cream scent. I really prefer the ColourPop smell more. But if you guys seen from the tutorial, then you'll know that literally these are very pigmented. Like, look at these colors. They're very, very pigmented. I'm not mad at all. Like, they're powdery. They do have fallout. They do. A little bit of the purple glitter did, but mainly it's the darker colors, like this row down here that I kind of use. That is definitely has a lot of fallout. The brown didn't have too much fallout, but the brown up here, the light base I used at the beginning, that one definitely had a lot of fallout, but it wasn't too bad. It kind of was my skin tone with gold sparkles, so I ain't too mad, you know. And I really liked it. I think it was cute. This color, you guys, of course, I'm going to go into my favorite colors. Some of them I didn't get to use yet. It's Sherbet Day. It's a very fitting name. It looks like sherbet. And the next one, it's Milkshake It. And then the one at the bottom is Love You S'more. It's a Sherbet Day, Milkshake It, and then Love You S'more. These are very pretty, very pigmented. The shimmers, they do have a little fallout, but not too much. But this brown up here and that sherbet, those are my two most favorite. And the Waffly Q has like gold shimmer. Y'all catch it? If you guys can remember which eye is which, this one was the Skin Tone MAC one, and then this one is the white base from Morphe. So you guys can see, this looks still golden. It's because that sherbet on the skin tone kind of concealer, it turned it goldish. A goldish kind of, a yellow kind of goldish. And then on the Morphe one, it was kind of like a white champagne goldish one. But it's interesting that that shimmer popped through like that and showed it purposely. Like it pulled literally whatever undertone it was underneath, but it still had that shimmer. So that was pretty cool. This guy right here, I think that's What's the Scoop. This one, actually, I liked it more on the Morphe side. I still like it because I feel like I still can see it, even though that purple just take over. But on this side, I feel like it's just purple. Now, on the deep purple one, it's called Black Terrific. This one right here, that one popped more on the skin toned. See how deep that purple is? It's really, really good. This one kind of faded itself out, and I even deepened it even more compared to the MAC side. But the green at the bottom, let's see which one won. I actually like the green on the skin tone side better. I think the skin tone side won for me. Look at that eyeball. I think that one's, oh, look at that one. Yeah, so, and then this one's pretty too, but she's just, I like the kind of golden and that deep purple. It just transitioned a lot better. I don't know, I just wanted to try both out. I was like, let me just see which one. I'm just curious to see, especially when it's like more pastel-y and soft looking. I wanted to see, is the white base really doing it, or is it just the product itself? So I think they both came out really, really pretty. I still think the skin tone one is, it's just captivating me. I just like this eye more. And it's a cute little end of the summer cute kind of gift for yourself. So anything is popsicle, like come on. I like them corny jokes. So guys, that was my review over the new Wet n Wild's Ice Cream Bee palette. I did say I was gonna buy it, try one of those things from that collection. And I really like it. Tell me which one you think came out better, and have you done this before? Because I think they both look the same, but not quite, especially with that sherbet, that really light color on the top lid. It's a little bit different. Thank you again for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.